everybody doing today? My name is Austin.
I'm Tara.
Yeah, and we are Living Light, Loving Life. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're not, you kind of know what we do here. We're doing an RV review, campground review, and today is a cool one. It's called Talona Ridge RV Resort in Ellijay, Georgia. This is the northeast part of Georgia up in the mountains. It's about an hour and 20 minutes north of Atlanta. But the setting of this place was just remarkable.
Probably really not even just the setting. Everything about this RV resort screams true RV resort. Like, we were blown away.
Yeah, it was cool. I mean, it's the first time I've seen like a tiered park. It's got 3 levels.
Yeah, so they did a good job of building it within the mountains instead of trying to find, you know, a flat piece of land within the mountains. They used what they had and built. It had 3 tiers. So there was a bottom level, a mid level, and then a top level.
Sun can't figure it out.
I know. I have my glasses on, so sorry you can't see my eyeballs, but it's a little bright out here.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, the setting of this place was one of our favorites in 4.5 years. I would say it's probably one of the coolest mountain places that we've ever been.
Yeah.
I mean, the setting was just remarkable. The park itself is just so clean.
I'll probably say gorgeous and beautiful about 1,000 times because I don't even know how else to really truly describe this place.
So, like we said, this park is 3-tiered layers. So it has a Hawk Valley, a Falcon Ridge, and an Eagle's Crest. The Eagle's Crest is the very top one. That's the best views. All of it was great views,
yes.
but you're actually
I think
up on top.
The only downfall that we had heard about the top level, because we stayed in
we were
the
on the second tier.
The top level, we had a few people say it can be very windy up there. That's probably not the case all the time.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for that view out your RV window,
it's amazing.
This is going to be where you want to be at.
Yeah, so you want to be up there. That's also where the Grand View Hall is, which is their main entertainment place.
Yes.
It's got the swimming pool.
The fitness center
is
all up on Eagle's Crest.
Yeah, it's all up there. And each level, they have multiple dog parks around. They have multiple washing machines and dryers and showers throughout on each level. They've really planned it out, and it's such a big piece of land that they were able to really, big rig friendly, like it's nobody's business.
Oh, from the second you pull in, they have, all the lanes where you pull in at, and then you walk in and you check in, and you don't have to worry a bit about being big rig friendly.
Yeah.
I mean, all of the streets are plenty wide. The sites are huge. We're a 42-foot fifth wheel, and we had no problem. I mean, there were tons of toy haulers in there.
Easy in, easy out.
Easy in,
which
easy
is always
out.
great. It's all paved, so it's 100% paved. It is a true resort on top of a mountain.
Yeah, this Grand Hall is so grand. We got to spend New Year's Eve there.
They have a little bar in there as well.
They hire out live music on most weekends, and probably even more than that during summer.
I would imagine.
Summer months.
Tons of events happen.
Yeah, because just in a short week that we were
there, and the location of it, it looks like it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, which it is. But right down the hill is Ellijay, and it's a city, little town that's got the country mountain feel to it, but it's got everything you possibly need. Your Walmarts, your everything. It's all right there within 5 minutes.
Very cute, quaint mountain town.
You don't feel like you're in a city.
No. Lots of great restaurants in the area. Only about, maybe a 30-minute drive is Amicalola Falls State Park.
So there's tons of hiking.
If you do visit this area, I highly recommend going to that state park. It was gorgeous. It's I think it is the tallest waterfall in Georgia. It was beautiful. We had a great time there.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Lots of wineries and breweries and just
a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of relaxing stuff.
With beautiful views.
Yeah. Very serene, very chilled. No fast paced. It's just an awesome area. A few of the other amenities that they do have, They have pickleball courts. They have the fitness center we talked about.
Oh, they have a dog washing station.
Yeah,
This
that's always
is
cool, right?
always my favorite.
Golf cart rentals. So we did get a golf cart when we were there. In this place, I highly recommend that. It's a big property, and like I said, it is 3-tiered. So to walk all that, I mean, if that's your thing, fine.
Oh, yeah. But if you have bikes or your e-bikes,
highly recommend something mobile like that.
Yeah.
Because it is, to get all the way up to Grandview Hall, if you're on the bottom, that's a trek.
But I mean, if you like to walk, walking's your jam.
Sure.
This is your place too. There's plenty of walking.
They have golf cart rentals if you need them.
Yep.
They have propane refill stations, so that's a common thing that you see. That's always beneficial. The outdoor area, the cooking area. When you're in Grand Hall and you walk out and you see the view, and they have all these seating areas, fire pits, and
grills.
They had an outside area that was covered, so you could still go out there even if it was real cold. And they had the big heaters. I mean, they had really thought of everything. But honestly, the number one thing at this place is the views. I mean, they have it written as epic views, and I do not disagree with that at all.
No.
Beautiful.
Some of the prettiest sunsets we've seen, and sunrises.
For sure. So yeah, I mean, this place, for us, it's very resort.
Yeah.
Right. If that's your thing, if you're wanting more campy, you're probably not going to get it at this one.
No.
You're in the mountains, but you are in a resort.
You're glamping.
Yeah,
this is true RV resort glamp style. All the sites are paved and up to 100 feet long.
Yeah.
So like I said, we had no issues with the sites. They were great. Each site had picnic tables and fire pits. Oh, it's one thing that we're not talking about, the playground that they have.
Oh yeah.
I loved this because sure, I like a traditional playground. I mean, my kids like anything that they can climb on and play on, but I loved their playground because it was really like nature driven, I guess you could say. And it was different. They had, the way their playground is set up is just different. It had fun little kind of obstacle courses instead of just like your regular playground.
Yeah, I mean, you're on vacation. It's kind of an all-in-one stop, right?
Yeah.
And it's really about they're adding onto it, which is crazy to think about. But where we were staying, right behind us, they were actually adding another swimming pool.
And it's to our understanding that pool is going to be a little bit more geared more towards the families with kids. And then the upper swimming pool might be a little bit more for adults.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure if they're going to separate the two or make it to where this is the adult pool, this is the kid or
Either
family
way,
kid pool.
You have a pool.
There's going to be 2 pools. And then I heard there was talks about a restaurant, but we're not really sure about that because it wasn't open when we were there.
But check that out, because if that's the case, then you truly don't have to
You don't
leave.
ever have to leave. Like, you pull in and you just stay there and you don't have to go
but like we
anywhere
said
else.
too, 5 minutes down that little hill is the entire city.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, do you have anything else on this
I
place?
mean, honestly, not really. This seems like short and sweet and to the point, but we wanted to give you our view of it from ground and our video feed, and just tell you, like, if you have the opportunity to go to this area, like, you've got to do it.
Yeah, you got to do it if you're going up there. At least stay for the night. You're gonna regret that because you want to probably stay more, but it's a cool park, and I hope this video is informational and helpful, and you guys can kind of see it. That's kind of what we're doing, is just kind of, hey, here's what it looks like from the ground.
Yeah, not just,
aerial pictures or something.
Sure.
Like that.
I mean, I like to, when you go to a website or when you go to like Google review an RV park, you can see what pictures other people have posted. Of course, I do that all the time. But I think it's nice to actually see video of the sites and video of, what the bathhouses actually look like.
And a real RVer actually traveling.
I mean, we've been on the road for 4.5 years now. We've been to over 100 and probably 30 campgrounds.
So we've seen a lot, done a lot.
And this one's
up there.
Yeah.
I don't know where it exactly ranks for us because we haven't done that. That might be a video that we do.
Yeah.
But it's very, very, it's top 5 at least.
We can't wait to go back. So yeah, if you're in the Georgia area, there's Talona Ridge RV Resort in Ellijay, Georgia. Add it to your list. Check it out.
Yeah, and don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button.
As always, if you liked this, show us some love.
And hopefully our plan is to do more of these and then kind of bring back other things too. So if you guys like these, you know, the more support we get for them, the more we'll put them out there and hopefully help somebody that's going to their next vacation spot.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Peace.